Jamesy.
Hi, it's Jamesy and welcome to today's video where I'll be drawing Naomi Osaka. She is a female tennis player. She was born in Japan. When she was 3 years old, she moved to the US and started training for tennis. And then in about 2018, she won her first Grand Slam. And did you know very recently at the French Open, Roland Garros, she got fined $15,000 because she didn't want to do interviews. How crazy is that? Let's get to it. On this J A N E S Y done. I hope you've enjoyed this video of how to draw Naomi Osaka, and I hope you're feeling well today. All of you, whoever you are, wherever you are, hope you're feeling good. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, press the like button, and press the subscribe button too, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye boy!
Jamesy.